I think a lot of people have been worried about gold. I think people keep wondering if they should be accumulating gold or shorting gold. I'll try to explain my version of gold. So, like at the current levels, there's nothing which is bearish about gold. It's a very, very good structure to trade in. The stock has been making only higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. I don't see any reason that this should be shorted at these levels. So, how do we trade gold? See, like this is a bullish structure. I go to weekly, the structure doesn't change. It is again a bullish structure, right? If you see again, it is making higher lows, and again, I would just want to add this on depths. That is what how I look at gold. This momentum, I don't think on any time frame, even if we go to monthly, it is an absolute bullish chart. So, like, where do we change this? If I go to weekly and I change this into line chart, I see a diversion. I'll try to show you this. So if you look, the price made a high here at around 4270 levels. So did the RSI. If I compare that price with today, the price has made a new high. But if you look at the corresponding RSI chart, it has not made. That means a sell-off for sure has happened. But then if the sell-off is happening, there is a divergence on the RSI. Does it mean that we can go and short gold? No, there is no reason. Maybe the exchange of gold is happening from strong hands to strong hands, and that's the reason the prices are not coming down. So what do we do? What I would do is I would just keep looking for swings, dips wherein I can gold wherein I can add more gold. That is, I would remain bullish over these levels. For me, this is a bullish territory, and I would short gold only below 4270. That is how I would trade gold. See, it's a running train, and like if we just jump in front of the train to get on board, I don't think that will help. So the better choice is, let's not predict the direction of where gold is going. What we need to do is we need to follow the footprints of institutional investors, see what chart is telling us, and just follow them. If we try to be predictive here, I think it can go very, very wrong. For instance, trying to short gold here, or it has already risen so much, for sure it will go down. I don't think that philosophy works, because we don't know, we are not the people who move the market. It is banks, institutions, uh, reserve banks, central banks. I mean, a lot of countries have been accumulating gold. So like, we trying to buy with few hundred, few $1,000 and trying to change the momentum, I don't think that will work. So the ideal thing is just follow the footprints of big investors and see to it how gold is moving. I think that'll be great for us. Hope this video makes some sense to you guys. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good one.